Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get the cursor back on the screen of your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop in case your touchpad stopped working. So the first way to do that is using the device's settings. Now if you don't have an external mouse connected to your PC, you can access the settings using your device's keyboard. First of all, simply press Windows button to open the Start menu, then press Tab button once to start navigating through the elements, the pinned ones in here. Use arrow keys to navigate and Enter to select. This way, select Settings icon, then press Tab 2 more times and scroll down to Bluetooth and Devices, then press Enter. Then press Tab button 5 more times until you have the devices option highlighted, and then use down arrow key until you reach the touchpad. Press Enter to enter touchpad settings, and here check whether or not your touchpad is enabled. If it's disabled, just press the space bar and it will start working again. However, if it didn't, what we can do is press the Windows button again and then search for Device Manager. Once you see the Device Manager in the Start menu, press Enter to open it. Press Tab once, then use down arrow key to scroll down to Human Interface Devices, and then press right arrow key to expand this section. Here, find I2C HID device. Now we have two here, so one of them is responsible for your touchpad. Let me see which one. So let's select the first one, then press Tab several times until we have the General tab highlighted, and press right arrow key to switch to the driver section, then press Tab several times until you have Disable Device option highlighted, and then press Enter, then left arrow key to highlight yes and Enter again. And yeah, so the first I2C HID device is your touchpad, and once you disable it, it will stop working. Now let's press Enter once again to re-enable this device, and maybe your touchpad, this will make your touchpad wake up. But if it didn't, what you can do instead is press Tab one more time to select Uninstall device, then press Enter, Enter once again, and after that your touchpad will stop working fully. And now to reinstall the driver for your touchpad, you're gonna have to press Alt F4 combination of keys, and after pressing Alt F4, press down arrow key to select Restart, and then press Enter to confirm, and then wait until your device is restarted. And after the restart, your touchpad will start working again, hopefully. If it didn't, then it must be some sort of a hardware issue, and if you're still encountering problems with your device's touchpad, you should contact ASUS customer support service and tell them about this issue. And that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.